everyone, my name is Naomi Coleman with Copper Creek Builders. Today I'm in front of a similar house. You've probably seen it in our past videos, but this house will actually be featured on the custom home tour, which will be happening all of this weekend, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you'd like to take a look inside, if you've seen our last post, you'll notice that we do have it staged up all nice. So if you'd like to come in and actually walk through and take a look at that, please feel free to stop by. It is in Copper Creek North along our third park. It's actually right across the street from our parade of homes that we had earlier this fall. So you can head on into the subdivision. There's a little set of parking spots right along here, and you can walk on into the home. We'll be here all weekend, so if you have any questions about what we have coming available, or if you'd like to be put on the wait list for future filings, which are approaching sooner rather than later, please feel free to stop by, or you can always give us a call, 970-256-7355. Again, that phone number is 970-256-7355. Have a good day.